So let me tell you, okay? I have to grow, right? I'm supposed to grow. I'm supposed to take feedback, right? So let me tell you, post it. Let me tell you the feedback that I'm going to take next. I'm not going to be long winded anymore. Me being long winded is trying to make sure, well, I don't want this person to think that. I don't want this person to think this. And then I thought about it. I said, myself said, Asia, don't start that shit today. You going to listen today. I said, okay. I said I was going to listen. What is it for today? I'm not going to be long-winded. I'm not. If I have something to say and it's my opinion, I'm just going to say that it's my opinion. If you have an opinion that's different, I respect your opinion. So why do I have to explain why I have an opinion? Or, oh, well, I didn't mean it like this. I didn't mean it like that. I say things exactly how I mean. I'm very careful with my words. If you understand the word different, there's nothing I can do for you. I don't know what to do. And some of the words, guess what? Culturally, they're going to be different. I can't do anything about that either. But what I am going to do is start having shorter shows because it don't take me so long to say shit. It's exhausting. Do you understand why I don't record as much? This shit is hard. Do you understand? Content creators, I tip my hat to us because this shit is hard. You come trying to be your most authentic self, and what you end up finding is the more you grow, the less authentic you are. You are honest. You are very honest. You are. But you're not getting to be authentic. Authentic is if I'm inviting somebody into my living room and I don't even want to call my show a podcast, I consider it you come into my home. We're having conversations that normal people have every day. And by the time I'm done, I done broke out the goddamn Webster's dictionary 18 times because I want to make sure I don't offend somebody. If my opinion offends you, then I will say I apologize that you are offended in advance. But what I will also say is search your soul and your issues to figure out why it was offensive to you, because I am entitled to my opinions. I am entitled to run my shit how I want to run it. If you don't like it, don't be on it, because never have I ever. Y'all like that game, huh? Y'all so nosy. Never have I ever been disrespectful to anybody. Let me just tell you. And most of the stories, while people think that they about them, are from African movies or my own. If you are that close that you feel like they're for you, then probably you're not that close anymore, because then you would know it's about me. I share. I got enough shit. Book coming soon. Okay, that's it. Bye.